Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a little mock plan with me using the A5Y spiral bound planner from Printpression, and I'm also using a mini kit, which is the Celebrate kit, along with a bougie foil bundle, which this one is the Gold Rush foil bundle. I might actually use this kit in my actual planner, my rewind planner for my birthday. I think it's so pretty. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to go ahead and put some music on top of it, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of how you can get a full spread look by just using a mini kit and a foil bundle. Just a little disclaimer, I did use a 15mm strip just so I could utilize both of the bottom washi pieces in the foil, but you could totally omit it and just use the larger bottom washi and still get a completed week's look. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys on Monday with new releases and then on Wednesday with a new plan with me. So enjoy!
I'm slow.